I heard that pennies are going away next year, so in honor of pennies, or 1 cent pieces, we want to look at a penny up close.
Hey, how they doing? Wah, wah, wah. This is a penny.
All right, thanks, Chase. So here we have a 2022 brand new shiny penny. It looks pretty cool up close. It's got these little black spots on them. In some research, I learned that the D means that was minted in Denver. There's like Philadelphia, Denver. I can't remember. I don't know. Why are you watching this video? Tell me, leave a comment below. What made you come across this video? Because I'm not a coin channel. This is an up close channel where I look at things up close. This is Abraham Lincoln's eye. What I did do is I poured out all the coins I have, and I, just for my own curiosity, I wanted to see the difference between a brand new penny and the oldest penny I had. And I was kind of curious what the oldest penny I have is and how old it is, and if it's worth anything. Something like in 1974, pennies stopped being made completely of copper because the copper cost more than the penny was worth. So they're actually zinc plated in copper. Here is a really messed up 2001 penny, 21 years old. This penny is old enough to drink. You could see some green stuff coming through Abraham's eyes there. The text is all really worn down and lots of green stuff everywhere, which I believe is from the copper being exposed to oxygen and going through a chemical reaction. It gets oxidized. And this is my oldest penny. It's 83 years old. It is an old man, but Abraham Lincoln is still looking great. Actually, I was really shocked at how good a condition this is. And the older copper pennies do hold up a lot better and don't have, well, they don't have any zinc in them. So if they get wear and tear, they don't start to corrode and look horrible. So all these old pennies, anything before 1974, I think that's the year. Maybe it was in 81 or something. Anyway, it was really fun to look at all my pennies. What's the oldest penny you have? Do you collect coins? Let me know in the comments. And what time of night is it? Are you up watching these at 2 a.m.? I got a comment on one of my videos that people are looking at this stuff at 2 a.m. And I think it's just because you're wasting time. And with that, if you are an Instagram user or a Facebook user and you waste time scrolling on those apps, I have been for such a long time, and I quit. I feel like scrolling mindlessly through reels sucks the life out of you. Thanks, bye.
This is a penny. Bye.